hospital has been in existence since 1993 and has been one of the most premier multi-specialty hospitals of the city. It's almost 20 years since we started providing healthcare to the state of West Bengal and the neighboring states and the countries. It is a big hospital with 400 beds and a very busy outpatient departments. As one would expect from a hospital of this size and with all the specialties that it provides, you would expect, it is very well equipped like any other hospital of this size. And we have got all the or most of the advanced equipments and the services that a modern healthcare requires. Where do we stand out differently compared to the other organizations? We give a lot of emphasis on the patient safety while maintaining the highest quality of services. We know that, equipments are available to purchase and they are very expensive equipments these days in healthcare industry. And we always feel that the proper use of these expensive equipments is more important than just acquiring some expensive instruments and equipments. So we put a lot of emphasis on the proper use of the technology, which has become an indispensable part of the modern healthcare. And when we say that we use the technology properly, that also implies the fact that we put a lot of importance and stress on practice of medical ethics. So maintaining the quality of the services, maintaining the medical ethics, and giving the best possible services to our patients who are the users of our services is our primary objective, and I think we try all the time to fulfill those. And if we hear from our patients that they are happy with the transparency and the trust that the Peerless Hospital, particularly the entire group, has built over many years, we are close to a century-old organization, the parent organization, then we feel very happy and satisfied about it. Now, I understand that Bengal Chamber of Commerce is going to stage the Bengal Chamber Manufacturing Conclave in the middle of next month, 10th and 11th of March, where the Deputy Managing Director, Mr. Jayantora, is going to speak about the organization and the activities of its subsidiaries. So I would request you to come and join the meeting at the time. Thank you very much.